No, they ask this question. You never check all these 5 alive, all these 5 alive, 2 alive. Now mango, now be the real medicine where they inside 5 alive.
Oh, I have the medicine.
I tell you. Now mango, as I tell you, take them. You see all those ones grinded together, mixed together, joined together. Now mango, now work now to preserve, stabilize, protect. That's why it go protect our medicine.
Put them down there. There.
We go cook them on a cook. Take this one too.
What is the mango?
This one female mango of the male species. Female mango of the male species. Now as I don't get this one, they come. I see goat, they chop them, look in face sweet. You know, just the chop and I see it go good for body. So you take a
what do you name?
I don't know. I don't know the names.
Go go to chop them.
Na goat. I make
the medicine will do not be goat.
No, it's good for goat. You know, anything where good for goat go good for human being.
Okay, it's good.
Which one you bring?
This one utrupe. They go for soup.
I never chop them for soup.
I will begin chop them for this one. Maybe chop them from my hand.
And I didn't know the way.
I just see this one. I don't know the name. You'll be like Okazi.
Okazi.
All Okazi they do work.
Okazi we get this type of leaf. Like you say, you go use and do canopy now. That's not tiny leaf, not tiny.
No, Okazi too.
Okay, Okazi
and Okazi.
Just say this one Okazi.
If you like me, I
don't go put poison.
No, the poison is green like this. This one resemble. This one not be avocado.
Not be avocado.
Even goat, not the chop am more. I not go walk. All them green like this. This one they green too. Okay. Go inside. Anything we bring out, me begin cure. Head.
I just say now, wait till you take back your own eye here.
This thing if he purge you, stop. Anything where you chop, where you don't know where you chop them, just hand them over to it.
But now this thing, if you water touch you for body, you got no difference between A and the B.
Now everything where they scratch, you get one when they vest for scratch.
So say you no go scratch.
Make it scratch now, but this other one wait inside go make it no go scratch. Oh, no. This one good. Give me that too. Tell me, that too.
Okay, this one.
You're fine for. I don't even know what they do. It resembles something where you go kill anything.
Add more one. Dry.
If you bring live one, bring dry one.
Okay, mix up.
This is what you buy. I don't know what you mean.
But now this one, now this one we buy. Then this one they dash us this one for sample. If you open this one, take small, put an and then go come generate the whole color, mix and turn and red.
No, I bring color thing now.
Hey, but now this thing na die. Na die. When they take the dye clothes.
It's not die.
But now this is na cloth dye. Maybe when we no go dye their small and big intestine, no. Na die. I beg, maybe we use one when we know.
This is not sickness, may go die. So this one, we change them.
You know, what you go do now? We go cook this one, cook it. Maybe we get crazy. We not get grinder before grind them. Now we not get grinder, we go cook.
I got all the thing.
Okafor.
Okay, then we bring the water. That one will be like green. Keep on different. Now we go cook on that thing. Now carry this one, cook, put
mirror miss.
Then pour this one, we change the color.
We begin, maybe begin. We not get time.
Now waiting the medicine go cure. Maybe we decide now.
For me, you know, say all this their herbal medicine, you know, they cure one thing. Now you go cure everything. Our own now you go put ETC.
Everything.
Yeah, everything. ETC, everything. Unless we go come give say it they cure malaria, it they cure meningitis, it they cure hypertension, it they cure otangare. That otangare sickness is very important, and ovulation period. Only this newcomer disease now where I don't know whether
HIV.
No, that one na old man, na old sickness. Don't tell now. But they call him
Ebola.
Ebola. I don't know whether if you kill cure Ebola.
I want to see no brother.
But make them try. If you cure, fine.
But we tell say they cure Ebola.
We go tell.
Banabas, fake medicine doctor. Banabas, Gloria you the cure. Banabas, syphilis you the cure. Banabas, Bia weru wanka Banabas, Wahala de Banabas.
What will be our exact target point in this business?
What do you have?
Exact target, that is everybody gets it by video.
So we'll go local government feed.
We will make sell.
For local government?
Okay, if after that one, if we still get time, make we visit saloon. No say now women they get all this nyama disease.
Women?
Now then carry them bad.
No go convent.
Eh? Convent thing. Let me tell you, people where they there no be ordinary people like me and you. Now holy people.
Convent. You know all these nurses, all these sisters. You know sometimes they carry this thing. They will just go home, go village, go weekend, go their brother or their sister place like this. If you go peace for toilet, when get dirty.
Okay, dirty toilet.
You know say peace stubborn. Okay. Once you put the last one when that one way big, you make come go jam the one way inside. That one go verse come.
Okay, you know say as they pour the thing that one, those one when they come up, okay, if it enter.
Go get the way
that's a bad hygienist.
Okay, that knows they call it.
Bad hygienist. Now if we sell finish, can't get time. Depending time what we get now, we go saloon. It's important. Then after the saloon, we go nursing school. Those nursing.
Maybe we go find. But we may put this in first.
No, we no go. Maybe we don't fix the one way. You no go come out.
Come and save yourself. Come and save yourself of untimely death. Native medicine. When they cure everything, when they disturb you, you go call them, kill and throw away. Now here, you come by them.
Good medicine. Dalum.
Agwude.
Ezigbote ọgwụ. Ga-eme gị ịkpọ nkụ kakakaka. Ezigbote ọgwụ. Hey!
Off him.
Oga, wetin you dey sell now?
Woo! Yeah. Original medicine that will make you strong. Yes. Medicine.
If you get menstruated period when they pay you.
Oga beg, in the store menstrual pain.
Hey! If you drink this thing, you will just go inside your belly, wash anything where you chop when no green, make it met. You just met and you just your shit go be like small.
Not only that, if you be 85 years person, we don't go down. If you drink this medicine, it go revive you to 20 years. Half.
How much you dey sell am abeg?
Huh?
Tell her.
Just 500. We suppose sell am 1,000. Okay, don't talk 500.
But Oga, how does it work?
Make I tell you, if you want drink this medicine, bring her out early in the morning. Shake am, shake am, shake am, shake am. Bring am down, open am, pour am inside the glass. Bring am out, say God help me.
Sure, this thing now original medicine. But the thing don't get NAFDAC number now.
Who tell you? It don't get NAFDAC now, they sell her.
No be 200.
No. 500.
500.
Yeah.
The original medicine.
Original.
Don't buy a well, you know the work, now make the ass soup.
Don't the fire you there. We'll take.
Collect am o.
200, we'll take.
Oga don't talk.
Wow!
No, you won't buy. Madam, you go good for your children.
Hold up.
You go good. It's 500.
All of them.
Just 1,500. If you give us 2,000, we can take them. Huh?
When they come, I will come.
As we don't do one, we will collect them.
He what?
They no one buy. They say they no one buy.
Now, somebody must buy.
They must buy.
We will beat person.
They must buy.
We will fight him.
Not talk and buy, yo. No, don't talk, don't buy. Right when you do,
We know they buy again.
Collect for their hand.
We no even get money. Next time I go buy.
When you come next time.
Now if you buy even one, which is
Next time
This
we
is
go
now
buy.
Oga.
about the dance for here for free.
We go buy am next time, no vex.
See you, eh?
Gloria, you the cure. Barnabas. Syphilis, you the cure. Barnabas. Bia weru wanka Barnabas. You nyuan. Barnabas. Wahala de. Barnabas. Barnabas. HIV the cure. Barnabas. Syphilis is the cure. Barnabas. Gloria, you the cure. Barnabas. HIV you the cure. Barnabas. Anything you carry, make it call Barnabas. One person, one cup. Barnabas.
Welcome. Please, who are you looking for?
You the Chris. So if you see your husband now.
No. Bam. Hi. Bam. How can I recognize you now?
You prepare this thing.
So you have been complaining you don't have money.
Go cook this thing.
Nah. In a pepper soup, mbabula. Hey. No.
Yeah, can you have me?
Ba.
Anything you want to diet, I'll pay. Chop chicken.
Are you not joining?
Eat on my behalf. In short, let's create another. Where is this? We don't even know what to call you. Bagger! Sir. Come here. Eat. What other variety of fishes you get? Only.
Yes, sir.
Baby, can you finish 5 fowl?
No, one is okay.
I want to cause calamity in the country of fowls. Go and sentence another fowl to death.
So you should go and keep another fowl.
You will see your time here. You are wasting your talent.
Right back.
They should transfer you to the inner department.
It makes sense. So, I got my car. Got me the hello.
Who do we have here? The dancers from Johannesburg. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Peso! Peso!
You girls should join me now.
What's her name? Back here! Sir. Come here. Take the orders. Whatever they require of me, supply.
What do you want?
Stout and chicken.
Okay. And you?
Malt and chicken.
And you?
Chicken and hero.
Oh, that's you chicken.
You are chicken.
You are also chicken. Okay, hey! Come here. Take proper instruction.
To say sentence another 3 fowls to death. Because the former one 4.
What calamity to happen in the country of fowl?
You girls should join me with this one now.
Eat this one before your own comes.
Yeah. Short Abino. Shey na you dey support Oga Magnus. You no see plenty money wey him carry for him pocket. You no see am.
No be you thought say chairman never pay am. See babes, I been dey support this man before. I no know say this man na correct liar. Na correct liar wey him be. This man just carry our brain dey drink garri.
Babe, so make we do something fast. Make we do something fast before it will be late oh.
Wetin you go do? Wetin we go do? Well, I get plan.
Come close now.
Transverse. That is a mixture of 4 elements or 3 elements in one. You have to.
All the people who supply that what we do. You don't hear them now.
That's him! That's him! Hey!
They face another place. You no go add your own sickness to the one where we get to. Just the people I don't know what to do. Our cup full it over.
Bana, you know, something of very high important, something very high important just occurred to my medulla oblongata this very minute.
Come. Any other time when me and you do something, eh? Now let me you there here. I know you well. Not the speak that way they speak. Now people went that outside.
No medulla oblongata. I'm trying to.
You know, now pick up.
Okay, the English.
Talk no way, go take do work.
Anyway, anyway, something entered my mind now. I say make I talk am now. Yeah. This business now we need to get.
Gate, remove gate. Speak something when be go to the gate. Yeah,
okay, let us register this business to make it a registerable liability company. Can I register, find a name, give to this business so that we start from there.
My fine name.
Find a good name.
Name like Bernadette August.
Bernadette. Saying Bernadette, that dead inside is like the business has already don't go. No dead, remove the dead. Use something like Okong and Friend Limited. Or Okong and Friend Company. Good. Okong. Use Kong and Friend. You go good.
I'm not getting him.
No, your name
So
there.
that's why you want to claim this company. Where would the substance? Only one claim.
Your name there na friend.
Where are they?
If you open friend, you go see you there.
No.
No, you are my friend. They give you.
How from Nagana about that? You won't claim him.
Not you they think. No?
I they see Banacom Pharmacy. Banacom Pharmacy. Banacom.
No. That's your banner. Na be the problem.
Because enter them.
When you use banner, that means you are cheating me. Imagine banner. How many letters there? Up to 4 or 5. Now you use only 2. Own. Okay, let us share it equally. Banner Okongo.
From Oko, you don't run this. No.
Oh, yeah, share them now. Share them equally. Make you know this. 3. Okay, 3.
Bancom Pharmacy.
Limited or PLC?
PLC for what? For this can be company. PLC now this mama picking company. Limited is big.
Okay, limited is big. That is a Bancom Pharmacy. Pharmacy take Coco.
See, you know something when they make mistake. All this ticker when they put for this thing, they make government they give you paper. Okay. They renew every year. If they say make ourselves, I go even I say make it be farm.
Okay,
farm.
ATM!
No, they put I say make they face another place. No, because they bring your own personal this thing. Your own personal sick they put for the original one.
ATM!
May you leave government approved sickness. What would they do first? If you get Qatar, they face another place.
He go say to you. Oh yeah, I don't drink them before. Yeah, you good. You don't drink them. In there good.
Shake up your uku like that. Hold me now.
Because he said you don't drink it before. I like it. He dey walk.
You don't want to taste them. I like them.
You like them? The medicine good?
I like them.
You like them?
Yes.
Oh, I forgive you free, but you don't bring money, don't pay.
Oh. You don't give money. Everybody don't want to dance around. The people don't want to bring it up. Somalia.
Take her. That's the best. Go corner. 2 times.
Oh, tonto. Iwa half. Evening. Wow. Yeah.
Well, half.
Una de Rama. Bam na dancha. Agame jobimo.
How much is it?
This one big go.
21,000.
4,000. Big.
Thunder fire you there, idiot. Who you want it?
Bana.
It is how they say when they give you money. It is how they count them.
Bana, for your information, you are lavishing and dricating with my dignity.
If make the talk straight to me.
Banana, Barim, you are insulting me.
Yeah.
Okay, as you did there, you see people. If they count the money, follow me, they count them.
So if they make you swear, that you go swear, say now, photo on your hand.
Swear no good. You never know that one. If nobody say swear good, if swear good, I go swear. What not the fear?
Waiting back for swear.
Bible say that shall not swear. No be what the Bible talk. You want make I die so that do only you go.
You be Saint Paul? You be Saint Paul? Okay, hold on one minute, hold this one.
But you know if it happen, no, no, use me play. Which kind I play with this? I no go money. See, I'm with share them.
Share with you. What be that?
Bros, hello.
What think she define?
What's the market?
Oh yeah.
Hello. How market?
What are you define here?
We now see they go now. Bros, now too much now.
Waiting carry you come now talk. Waiting carry you come.
Wait, I bet more no vex for me. I bet more no vex. No, I find you. You know the person where they find something. You guys do your own work well. I beg. One I know they angry. I beg.
Talk on. We no get this time. Talk.
I they talk. See, I be the see now. I be the see now. So now they make all this money. They collect money from people. And now I can't say. Now I can't say make I can't join una.
Huh?
Make I join una now.
Well, as it stands now, I need to buy enough time so that I will do the revolution, and the.
Tell me what you want to tell me. I'll tell them. I'll go think them.
Not too quick answer now.
Go me think them.
You see, Okafor. I know so you see they remember that thing where happened between me and you. I beg, ma binu Joe, ma binu.
You see, I'm no be Joma beben. No be Joma do am. Now you do am.
You see, Emma binu.
Okay. You see, I'm three names in one.
Okay, Barnabas, I beg, they see me like your sister.
You the craze me like this? No, make me vex.
No, now the size. She mean the size.
On that one.
Now that side in the go. So we go take. Sorry.
I beg,
no shit there. Yours they come out.
No problem. We go
we'll
take care.
You.
I will sleep on top of your matter tonight. Then after the evolution and the revolution, I will finally give judgment and justice to medicine doctor. Well, fool. No, try that. Bring that money now. I go take 21. I take 4. No, we share that. No move here without giving me my money. No move. Barnabas move now, my
We don't come again. International marketers, we are here. Yes. Nothing where we not get. In fact, we get one special soap here. In case your pikin, you dey give am food, you don't agree chop. Pass from this soap. He go finish the whole food with this one. In case your landlord na wicked person, they use this soap bath. Once you bath this soap, your landlord will forgive you your house rent.
Babes, no. Arrange this money. No be able to arrange. No package. No time. Quick. You need to arrange it very well. Hold on, quick.
Babe, carry, pick that one. Hurry up. Quick.
Something and they come.
I beg, make una no vex. I hope so na collect the whole money. If we collect everything, come on, go. Maybe before you go start to look for us, make we go.
Marcus, you must be mad. I say you must be crazy. You are telling me that the people that work for you made away with my money. My own money.
Madam, I talked like this yesterday. I not submit the full money yesterday. The day before I said I not bring money. All this money, every way they praise me. I know they bring for your money. I say as we they sell this. I just they happy inside my mind. Say today na special day. I even think if I get space, make I enter one corner do small Thanksgiving. As we reach new era where the place will they calculate our money before I will come submit everything to you, I begin fight these girls. Till now, even me don't know what happened. Whether those girls get jazz when they did disappear, up till now I don't know what happened.
What of my goods?
You know they hear what they talk? Wait till we sell when we realize the money where they steal. I say we sell everything. Finish.
I'm giving you 24 hours to bring my money. Else you won't like what I'll do to you.
But you don't believe me? No. You don't believe me?
You are talking about believing you. Get out of my house now! I say get out of my house now! Just imagine my hard-earned money.
How come the green no even no show again? We were cooking. I know you said we cook.
Bana Eleni.
But we be tell you to make you hold on first. See now we go call you.
But Barnabas, why una they do like this now? Why una they do like this? Una say ma wait. I go wait till they born Jesus.
But you know say this work. You must bring application first, bring paper first, and CV or VC.
No, CD.
CV.
See what una they do no good though.
Okay, go here in a factory. If you want to come meet us, no talk. Come office.
Yeah, be waiting.
Yeah, na production will there.
Hey, egba mi. Lórí pa fẹ́ bá yín ṣe kí lẹ ń ṣe. Anyway, see how you go be now? Why not they do anyhow like this? Why? Ma tell you something no. Any business where person they do where woman hand no day na zero.
Well, anyway, I'm quiet not because I don't know what to contribute, but I'm just vigilating as a sub-partner in this business of ours. You know, unanimously, me and Vanna would like to coherent.
Wait, you want to know?
Make she do what you want make she do.
Me tell her, me not they go here before they talk one thing.
Okay, go straight. So do whatever he says.
So what you wanna come to conclude now? Wait till una see the talk now.
Go bring your CV.
Bring paper.
Even if una be say una want something more, na tell me. Now only money I no get, but that things na free of charge I get, I go dash you.
Like what?
That one go good there, make you carry Barnabas go office so that two of them go settle and there.
The craze.
No, from here they go somewhere.
Only me go me all these things.
I get appointed.
I want commit suicide.
So I be woman, carry myself on the beg una.
I say when you come for office, come here in a factory.
Here in a factory, there in our office. But if you dey come, don't make me say bring witness. We don't need witness.
That's what they do no fair. That's what they do no fair. You no fear.
Just
any business where they do for this like where woman hand no day. Now zero.
We never conclude say we no go day now.
Why? Una dey take time. Ah, no good though.
The preparation.
You want first us will take you.
Imagine you know even knock. Sorry, you know even clap.
Just enter.
Banabas, fake medicine doctor bas. Banabas, where you dey cure Banabas?
Where you dey go? We make you just like this.
What's happen?
I no talk. But I should say you no see me, now make you wear like this.
It go better make you respect yourself well for this house, so. May you put your eye for what you find call this house, so. I'm a boy.
Thank God say you call me I'm a boy. I go tell Papa.
Feel like that, Mama. Oh, day. Don't be clothes you dey wash before.
I no follow you talk, I dey wash.
Be bold.
Ofuna nege. Uncle JB. Oyo bro. Over. Don't die. Or you go come back come meet me.
Hey. Hey, second. Hey, I don't go. Hey. Come, I come out of reduce money now. They sell that day now. They are sales. Hey! 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 Where did I go? Madam! Hey! Madam, I don't come. I don't come, not 200. Hey.
This one original.
Even come.
Man, tester.
No, 200, I need 200 may just bring. Hey! 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 God, thank you. Thank you. Anyway, before I go, I'll just do something for you. Yeah! Hey! Hey! Now I do that. Hey! Let's go! Come on, go! Come on! Make I just second for you. Thank you!
If you see Betty like do that my yesterday. As for the bank demand.
I don't come!
Now who be this one again?
Who be this one?
Come on, tell now. I bring one ogbonge medicine, can't give una. See this my medicine. If una dey use am well, I swear, you go sell pass pure water.
You dey serious? Are you sure say this medicine go work? How go take am?
Before nkan, dey monkey yourself. See, ma tell you. See, they sabi me well for this cabin. It should be hot cake. You don't understand.
And I hope say you go work.
See, why you no go work? See, ma tell you something. This thing no cost. Now just 200. But if you follow me by 3, I will give you 500.
And how should you get NAFDAC number? Because me, I don't want rubbish.
I mean, forget this NAFDAC thing. Even NAFDAC come they meet me for house. This is a natural thing. You don't need, you know they expire. You hear say papa expire for 3. You know they expire.
You know it's going to happen. You go give us 350 if you want me to buy a more.
350. Okay, nothing do you, no problem. But make I just give you. Make I carry and give you. Take. Now you owe me this. Now you owe me this. Now you owe me this. So I beg where the money?
Oh, the money? They pay. Okay, I come and bring money.
See, I'll tell you something. See, my sister. If I say this medicine for people, you get some small jara where they take give them again. Ask me, say what's me the jara.
Oh, yeah, wait till the jara now.
Hey, I go second for you now. Hey!
You like the phone here?
You like the phone, Nisha?
Hey! Now the mother of the second. Hey! I will get the money. Hey, I'm going to do small sogina. Hey! 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 Hey!
You are going nowhere. I said you are going nowhere.
Woman, what on earth will ultimate your culpability? Giving you full agitation to transview my otepus. That's Muzo. For what one?
I'm not going anywhere. That's what I said.
Why?
There's no food in this house. Okongo, there's no food. And the wrapper I told you that I will use for this weekend wedding, you've not given me the money.
Money. See what I'm saying? Okay. With common passing sense. Not passing sense, because talking of passing sense, you didn't even go there at all. You got a bar. You're supposed to know that your husband did not hear you well. Anyway, you see what I'm saying? The poor man will never ever live in this earth happily. Poor men will never live happily in this earth. Poverty is not even my wife's fault. It's the fight is between me and you, not even with my wife. So had it been I don't have money on me, this is how you are going to rubbish me before my wife. Don't worry, the fight is between me and you. It's over your fault.
Daddy.
Power of money. Don't worry.
Daddy, mo. Okay. Hey.
So if I don't have this money, this is how poverty will die. Rubbish me before you.
Hey.
This one is nice.
Hey.
15,000.
Daddy Kenani.
Don't worry.
Daddy Kenani.
Don't worry. And more 2,000 for your keke. Or even Okada.
Hey.
Don't worry.
Nah. I want you to come back early today. What are you going to eat? Let me prepare it.
I should come back early. What will I like to eat? Well, anything served to me by my wife is okay. I believe so.
I will prepare a delicious delicacy for you.
Power of money.
Hey, even the other ones in the night now will give you. I'm going to prepare myself very well.
The one you gave to me last night.
That one is sweet very well.
See, you can keep the food because this one is more valuable than the one.
I am going to prepare myself for you. That's him.
Still power of money.
I'm going to prepare myself very well.
I will come back by 9.
Hey, Daddy Kem.
10.
Daddy Kenanim.
Poverty.
Take care.
Poverty. Don't worry.
Hey. Oh.
Richard, wow.
Where I can't go now? You know, nearly make my heart fly. So I don't see anybody. I said, where I can't go? Hey, as you know, say as long as they come out like this, Nche my land. Yeah.
Do you know this guy?
I don't even know him.
Oga.
Where the money? I beg. I don't get. Which kind of play be that?
Which money?
Do time to soon go. I beg.
I beg, honey, let's go. I don't know what's in this man.
Do you know this man?
I don't know what's. What's in there? What did they touch me, sir?
Who be
Why
this?
they touch me?
her.
Who be
What
this?
is your own self?
You want to let free slap?
Collect it. Nothing.
No, you want to let
She's my girlfriend.
Nothing.
If I whip this slap.
Oga, she's my girlfriend. What's happening now?
You know what? You want to be self.
Who be this?
Come and leave me alone. Just be you. I don't know you. I don't know what they talk about.
Madam, good afternoon. Be they great.
What is good about the afternoon? Are you with my money?
Now how the money won't take come out? Now me said they struggle up and down. I know rest. You understand? That's why I said, okay, make I can't tell you. You know that girl, the other one, the leader of the dancers. I see him. Now I say, make I rush come tell you. Say I see the girl.
Marcus or whatever you call yourself. Will you shut up your mouth? See, I am giving you only 1 week to bring my money to me. Else, you see the other side of me.
Now I talk so now. You see, at least as I say, make I can't tell you now. I do bad thing. I say, make I they let you know movement by movement. As they need the money, Make I inform you. That thing not be bad thing now.
I say, shut up and get out of my house. Or do you want me to drag you out? What's your problem? Huh? Who needs your explanation? Just imagine. Fool.
Madam, my customer.
I go pay for this one.
Okay, no do this thing, no. Like say you said no, say fuel don't go up. Even dollar. Because now dollar we dey take prepare this thing, no. Dollar self don't go up. Okay, let me put something now. Put something on top.
You know what? Next time when you come, I go put something. Let me see if my customers will like her.
They're not gonna like it. They go like her, but you know what is gonna happen? Man, just give you one more. Because they think on the rush am. Because me, I know say them go rush am. So now which them I come back?
I'll check tomorrow to see if I make any sense.
No problem. Tomorrow I go come. But I got me have fun. I might just second for you now before I go. Hey! Let's go! Come on! Hey! I got me!
In the world.
You dey do everything. All different things wey dey your body. Go Badmus one time.
Make I see now.
Hey! I him it is.
So how much?
Na 200.
200.
Yes.
No, I'll give you 150.
Okay, no problem. I got me nothing to do.
sure saying the work?
Before.
Wow. Give me change.
You too much. I got my other course. I'll be free there. Yeah, my just go search.
I better do fast. I'm to the commode.
I'll bring your change. I got my come by this thing now. Hey!
Don't die.
That way you're fine.
Don't die.
She don't set finish. I think maybe we go church.
What you not call your come back before?
I'm just talking like that. I bet me we go like that.
Justice and mercy. Time 20, just time 20 of them together.
You give it to wine,
Make him forget music.
talking like that. Idiot. Sorry, not your own idiot. Now this bag. See what I tell you now. Respect to somebody matter. I beg. You know, say the customers, when they follow you, they leave us.
Hey! Oh, Egba me.
So we just to make as if so, we just merge like a bank.
You will carry your mind come, even with your mouth. You will come here. No, tell me when I will come inside my compound.
Beg no verse, I beg. No, we just merge like a bank.
So now don't forget the kind begging when me I dey beg you that time. When now they do like say now be assistant of Jesus Christ. When now they tell this one, you even tell me go write application come. You they tell me say one place now factory. You they talk say one place now office, man go office.
Why they talk like this? Listen, make we just talk. If you tell them say you don't collect our customer, he go they enter here, he go they swallow up.
It's no sense you don't dey mad.
Me?
What you come out the case? This is what they do now.
Why you can't they talk? Why can't they talk and like say she did defeat us in this business?
What do you want to do?
What thing we want now make three of us match together. Then so that NAFDAC fit give us NAFDAC number. Then we feel register, incorporate, then associate, and then make it. Not this thing I bring us come. No.
Shut up. This is what you know. You want to go, but see, all this sometimes when they speak, you know they even they hear them.
Oh no.
You just they pick and they talk and like say you be lawyer.
No insult me before her. Never. No. How come they tell us?
No, which can't. With this person, where would they do so? One you bought the inside. This person where would they go inside bush go bring so as they bring and they put this on present bottle. One small you bought the inside.
No be my idea.
Your idea?
No be me bring them.
Wait. That English.
Una won't fight.
This is what you wait.
No. See. No be say I leave. No be say I leave you. No be say I leave you here. No. Come now is I beg.
You go.
Why?
Neka. Not be Neka be this. See, wait! Why are they running? Wait! Neka!
I don't beg me, I don't hear. I know we say I agree fully. Because if I say make I just remember all those things when I do me that time, but I not suppose even answer una. That's why they call it, why I call the beg one and they do like say una be assistant Jesus Christ. But anyway, I just leave that one for now. See, if we go join this business together, I get terms and conditions. And now if we agree, fine, we go become one. If not, man, they go my own. Condition number 1. The name of this company, now me go decide them. I never reason them now, but now still me go decide them. Condition number 2. Where we say now in the important pass. Any money we will see for this thing, we go to share them 50-50. I hope so now know this 50-50 what they talk about. So I mean say we go share them into 2. Me I go carry 1. When I go carry 1, I no come no as when I want take do. Maybe one person go to carry the money between you. Say the top person go to look. I don't know now business be that. Una agree or una no agree?
What kind of unconditional, unsensible?
Shut up.
Leave a me talk. He no agree.
Number. I say good.
If una no agree, man, they go. I know they for this.
We don't almost ready. Now just to go and wear the dress.
The dress.
You good. I want to beg you something.
Wait.
I don't make you vex about it. I beg. May the name of the company come from us.
Made the name of the company. See, I don't tell no man leave me, oh. Leave no me not be press me die, oh. Don't be me come meet you this time, and I come beg, oh. Now I come beg. Okay. I go be later. No, it go be later.
Don't be like that. That suggestion you just suggest.
So why not they price me like this now? If I never agree for this, man, they go.
Wait more good dress. Wait more good dress.
I mean, I do quick, no time to check time on the surprise time. Wanna do quick. I can't go the second for my people. Second. We don't come,
Okay.
Yeah. We don't come. We don't enter.
Where?
Madam, my customer. We don't go. We don't enter. We don't enter.
Oyeto. 500. I bring your money.
We don't come.
Go. How are you ready?
What about you?
Go. Baba Tunde.
You don't. Go and enjoy. Go and enjoy.
Okay. Oh yeah. You're welcome.
Hey! Woo!
medicine they cure?
Huh?
Waiting they cure? This medicine.
Like, as I dey see you now, it dey make me like say you get staff. You get staff?
No.
No.
But I want buy it for my brother.
He get staff?
He get staff.
Bring money.
How much?
500. You can roll.
Summer, I don't call. You know the price now.
Oh, yeah, nah.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi.
Here one. Abianaga. Itokwaya. Iwete ya. Imwa.
Good market.
I tell you now. No market where woman put hand, where you know the prosper.
So they praise yourself. Now let you sell them.
Not because you didn't train.
I never forget, if not be me. I say una no know.
No problem. When we don't go that side.
You better go that side.
Imagine.
Man, I better market.
I tell you.
Everything finish.
Hey.
You know remain.
Don't be smart.
So as you want to.
Where this guy will wash my car? Where the guy?
Jonas! No be you!
Where this boy? No be Marcus with this. Marcus! How be me wash am o? Marcus so too. Na me Jerry now. Jerry will be for village. Don't forget.
Jerry.
Na me Jerry. Marcus.
Get out. See you. How you be Jerry? Jerry fine like this.
Marcus na me. He dey work for here.
Jerry! Na our company, na here they work.
But I no see when I be my car here.
Jerry, you get car?
Jesus Christ. Now my car be this now, Marcus. Now my car. Hey. See Marcus, my man. Oh.
Jerry, you get car, now you go let me, they call you Jerry.
Why do you talk like you still be my man, Marcus? What do you mean?
I go put small, sir.
No, don't go there. Marcus, now wow. I want you to see you, Marcus. Jesus Christ.
You won't hug me like this?
No. Marcus. Hey, very strong man. Hey, Marcus.
Thank you. Hi.
No worry. Let me give you something at least.
I need them. Hey. Jerry.
My brother, no, we're not talking about drinks now. I need work, not be drinks. Big.
Marcus, you don't need to worry yourself. Look, let me tell you. Why I brought you here is to introduce you to our business. The business that harvests me money. Why I use to buy all these big cars.
If you can do this for me, I'll be very, very grateful. I'm happy. I will not disappoint you. I even thought we are coming to see your MD so that you can just introduce me once. You understand? And I need to start work. So this woman that I worked for last, just because of one small money that got missing, this woman has been on my neck, pursuing me everywhere. Come and pay, come and pay, come and pay. Let me just start work so that I can pay her. I know that by the time I start paying from now till next year, I will pay finish, make I rest.
I know you very well. I know you're a hard-working guy.
Thank you.
Don't worry yourself. In fact, you are in the business now. As I'm talking to you, Marcus, believe me, you have the money. You don't need to bother yourself. No stress. You will just be on your own. Money will be coming in.
Very happy. Very happy. And that kind of work myself they like. Just day my AC room. They inside.
Get big money.
Yeah.
Don't they worry yourself. Just forget about.
They
in fact, let me show you one thing. You are in the game. You are in the business. As I'm talking to you now, you are in the business.
Thank you. It's good. Day inside AC. Everything will just go on well. Like when I was a supervisor for one hotel, everybody knows me now. Hard work. I have an office, but I don't agree to get. They work everywhere. Go some other departments way not to concern me. Marcus. If you give me this opportunity, your MD will be very impressed. I won't disappoint you. What will we stop here to do now?
Don't worry yourself. Very soon the delivery box will come. Okay? Don't worry.
Delivery.
Marcus, he has so many questions.
Which kind of delivery will make just drive come here stop?
Just relax yourself. I promise to make a big point this town. Why can't you stop yourself?
Hey! What will be that?
Shh, relax.
Huh?
Relax yourself. Marcus, come back here. I said you should come back here. Come back here. No.
Hey! Where are you taking me? I don't get shit. If they tell me, I don't go, and if my mom go to the village now, think say you can get pikin. Not knowing as a dirty kidnapper. No. This boy insult me. You know why, B? When I was a supervisor in the hotel,
Marcus. How far?
You see your life?
Marcus, what did they happen? What did be a problem again?
See yourself. You and people where they carry gun are partners. No. Which means even you get gun.
Marcus.
Your mama go to the village now. Think say you get picking.
What's the problem? How do you think I'm taking money to buy all this investment?
Marcus, kidnap me. Now be the work we say help me get.
Marcus.
Yeah?
You have mind to hold me, Marcus. What's the problem?
This is not my behavior. Ma block him.
Marcus, if you don't be saved my friend here.
Get out!
If you don't save my friend, I swear to God, I will show you who I am, Marcus.
Who be this? I forget to play. Who be this? What do you want? You don't know me for house. No, wait. You don't know me for village. Move. Is this not my behavior?
Oh my God, Marcus.
Get out of this place.
You're messing me up. Why are you, Marcus? You want to
look at this? Kidnapper.
Get out. Let me tell you.
If you talk any, I'll come police.
No, but there's nobody to make up the profit I'm making in this town. What's the problem?
Dirty investments. Dirty investments.
This is money.
Let me have the money, Diego.
Hey. We dey talk, money they respect us. We dey speak, money they hear. Now money be chop am. This is money.
You, Marcus. You know my man let's mad, get mad, go they mess me up. What's the problem?
Money. We speak, money respect us.
Now just imagine. Marcus, you, my man, my malest man.
Wait, this is not real money.
No, not really money. She dey para. See money, enjoy yourself, guy. Go and fresh yourself up.
You didn't tell me this part. No, this is a very nice business now. Yeah?
No, you know.
Oh my God. We are together.
This man will give you now. This and go change back for.
Don't tell me this part. See guy, man, don't be say you want make money. It's a very nice business now. Yeah. Now only one gun I get. I need one.
Maybe talk of gun. Hunter for village now the ginger.
Now we the manufacture gun now. What's your problem? Sorry one.
Your blood that they
if you see where they shoot, you fear me.
Of course.
Now we the manufacture gun. Don't worry yourself. You go shoot gun.
Come on, fast! Let's go.
Where we go pass?
I'm anywhere where you like. As I did, so I don't tire, but you know before you move.
Where's your apple? Please, stop, please.
Hi. Now we
Where's your
don't
apple?
go to here now. They say wait.
Madam, where's your apple?
Please, no. Oh, brother, please, help me. It's my husband, oh.
You don't die. You hear what he asked you?
No, please.
You hear what he Oga ask you?
No. He has been sick.
You never die.
Do something now, please. He has been sick and he's almost dying.
You never die.
Please do something. Don't worry, madam.
Where is it? My house. No, we go there.
No need. Make we go in house.
No, please.
Make your husband drink all this one at you go.
Be fast.
No, we go there.
Please now.
Okay, no problem. No worry.
Madam, relax. No crying. No problem.
He go follow you go now. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Come. Carry on. No, when you reach, you give her money. When you reach, you give her money. They go now.
Please, brother, be fast.
He go follow you go.
Be fast,
Follow him go now.
Brother, please now.
Follow him go perform magic.
Please, please.
They go. Follow him go perform
I finish now. Be fast. See my husband.
Who is this, Satan?
He has been sick, but now he looks like he's dying.
In body hot?
You are asking me his body hot. Are you not the doctor? Check now, you're asking me his body hot.
You give me 5,000 before I begin doing anything.
I'm ready to do anything. I'm ready to do anything. It's 5,000.
Give me a cup.
Okay. That's it.
Hey, good. May I go bring anti-dying? Anti-dying. Make it of me, no, but this one go that. Sweet. May I bring anti-dying? Anti-dying. Anti-dying.
Barnabas, 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 hey, Barnabas, medicine doctor, Barnabas, somebody help me, Barnabas, syphilis you dey cure, Barnabas, Bia weru one card, Barnabas,
Doc, how is my husband?
Your husband is fine. He's reacting to food poisoning.
Poison?
Yeah, as a result of a liquid substance that he took.
Hey, it must be...
What? What's that?
Doctor, I bought a local drug and I gave it to him yesterday.
Local drug? Do you still have a pack at home?
Yes, I do.
There's no problem. Bring it for me tomorrow and I'll check on it.
Hey, my God.
Barnabas. Just bring it for me tomorrow.
Barnabas.
Yeah, I'm in the office.
Barnabas.
This boy, you never see shoot this woman come on. Fire her!
Please, people should not kill me. Please, don't hurt me. Please, my people will pay you. Any amount you mention, they are ready to pay.
You're a man. Well, shut up your mouth. And today we don't hear that one. My people will pay. My people will pay. Where's the money? Why do they not pay? You think we are joking, Abi? If I vex collect this gun from you, I go first shoot you before I kill this woman. No, fire her. Let's get out of here.
Marcus, is that you? Is that you? Huh?
What? Who is Marcus? I'm talking to you and calling Marcus. Look at me. Do I look like Marcus? I'm asking you.
Please, no, don't hurt me, please.
Fire this woman. Let us go.
Please, have mercy on me. Don't kill me.
If we come back here and people don't bring this money, we're going to fire you.
Don't fire me, please.
You're there calling me Marcus.
Madam, I don't want to hear your voice again.
Fire her! Fire her!
Shh. Fire, I can bring her down.
You're ready to go? And you don't want to take any breakfast?
I'm not going to take any breakfast. We'll time the money. Wash my dad my working clothes.
Yes, I will.
Don't forget to go. What was I tell you? Come on, please.
I will go. I remember. I remember. I will go.
Barnabas! Where is Barnabas? Killer!
Yes, kill her what? I will kill her. Comfort. What is going on?
That's his wife.
Where is your husband?
Madam, your husband sells fake herbal drugs.
Fake again?
Herbal drugs.
Barnabas, fake drugs?
Yes.
Woman, tell your husband to report at the police station. Else, the next time Okonyo will arrest everything here, including you.
Fake drugs.
Cheryl, come on, Barnabas.
You know, we go maybe say we dey go one side that place. Maybe we just come off at that place. Since we get down there, maybe we change. Maybe go on that place.
That be the thing. We'll go that Mami Market side, or which is it?
Yeah, Mami Market. The idea say make we change good, but that Mami Market. As I take eye, they see am. Let's say some police, some Ekelebe people hang around that place.
Oh no, that place now all ground. Nothing dey happen there. Where they come out? Give me my shoe, abeg.
Give am him shoe, make I want shit.
Why you shoot like this?
Now wahala, but now I manage shit. I go do fast.
No wait, wait. Oh okay, you won't go shit. Hey, you go shit. You still the drag clubs.
No, give me my shoe. Wait now.
No, I don't see. I don't dey tell you this thing since.
Why they threaten us all the time?
No, what they threaten you now? I don't understand. Una know they don't say time and money no they work together. Time they doing home, money self they doing home.
They threaten us to make you consider our business what they do. See now poison now they sell.
I can't be waiting now.
Maybe she no go sleep, wake up now wahala.
No, that no be my own portion now. You dead there, say me they go bring your shoe. Dead here now.
Now your elder now, respect am.
Elder waiting. Elder Barnabas. Oh, now you be the elder Barna. Me go bring. Come on, tell Una. Una not dey forget say na me be the oga now.
Why they threaten us like this? Sorry,
Banana be say they threaten. Come. You go talk. Dead here. See, if you go sit, we don't go.
I don't know if I fit endure the shit.
Oh, I don't go. Not mess for road though. You sure?
More they go.
It's medicine.
Medicine.
My dear, I saw how it was being advertised yesterday. So I decided to take it.
So how does it taste? Is it bitter?
Ha! My dear, I can't say. Unless you want to taste it.
Who?
Test it.
Me, test it.
You don't want to taste it?
Yeah, drink it.
Don't worry. Forget about how the medicine is testing.
My stomach. Your stomach? What happened to your stomach? Wait, please don't die. No, wait. Hey, somebody help me. Wait.
Barnabas.
Every information is vital. So whatever information you can give us to enable us track down these kidnappers will be appreciated. So now tell me, do you have any enemies that you know? Or are you quarreling with anybody that you can actually remember?
Honestly speaking, Inspector, I have nobody in mind. During the time they kidnapped me, something happened.
Something happened?
Yes.
Go on.
There was this voice that I heard.
A voice?
Yes. It's similar to a doctor of mine.
What actually transpired between you and this debtor of yours?
He used to sell goods for me. And on one occasion, he didn't pay me.
He's owing you?
Yes.
To the tune of how much?
300,000 naira.
300,000 naira. I see. Okay, madam. You have to do me this favor.
Of course.
I want you to try as hard as possible to persuade this debtor of yours to pay up. Try harder. Immediately he pays, alert me.
I'll do that.
I need every information, every details. Time of payment, mode of payment, and location of payment. I said every details. Is that understood?
Yes.
And one more.
How much you owe?
Banabas, Banabas, fake medicine doctor. Banabas, Gloria, you the cure. Banabas, syphilis, you the cure. Banabas, yeah, one card. Banabas, be the cure. Banabas, syphilis is the cure. Banabas, Gloria, you the cure.
Is not this pizza way I chop? They make me very heavy.
So, Marcus, where is my money?
Oh my God. What's that name again? Lady something, right?
Look, Marcus, why are you addressing me like this? Have you forgotten I'm your madam?
Madam, that was in the past. That was not yesterday. Old news.
Where is my money?
You don't know how to at least say welcome to your important visitor. When you have a visitor like this, you first tell her welcome. By the way, how much is your money that you are shouting? How much is it?
It's 300,000 naira.
Only.
Where is it?
Oh my God. Money over they put my back pocket. Oh my God.
Bring it out, please. I don't have your time.
Oh dear man. Oh my God, these people. You said 300. What's up?
It's complete.
To say you get sense, you go inside, get a very important wine for your very important guests.
Don't worry, Marcus. I'll give you a wine. A better one for that matter.
Oh, go ahead.
Just wait for me. Hello, sir. Good day, sir. Sir, how soon can you get to my place? Sure, sir. It's okay. It's okay.
Oh my God. This is good. This is nice. This is nice. For this town over there, you have to trust God. Yes, sir. You see that Baba where they call God, wonderful man. You need to know him. And once you know him, anybody can make it. Yes, sir. Just imagine me sitting with Lady B, drinking the same wine.
All things are possible.
Oh, yes, yes.
Just look at you. You are now a big boy. You're now a big man. A big boy. Don't worry, let me do it for you. Yeah. As it is now, just forget about this madam issue. There is nothing impossible with God. Don't worry. Don't worry. Just look at me. Taste it. Hey, Marcus, look at me. Am I not good enough for you?
You good, but you my God.
Don't worry. Forget about the madam issue here. Just taste it. What is it?
Your own, they taste different.
You see it now?
It's sweet.
See. Yes. You're feeling shy?
Yes.
Yeah, don't worry. Just be free with me.
But I don't feel free like that. Yeah.
Don't worry now. Just face me.
Yay. Like say they plug electric for my body.
Don't worry. You've seen nothing yet.
Eh? You go pass like this? Hey. I like him, but I like him, but
Michael, just be relaxed with me.
you say me and you go do things.
No wahala. I'm all for you.
Wait, my mind tells me say I dash this remaining
The
money.
remaining one. That's my guy. That's my guy.
If I know say you go this way, I will bring plenty money.
No problem. You can still bring it tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on now, you're shy.
I'm shy. Who not go shy for this gate?
Oh, officer, you're here.
Is it the man?
Yes, that's the man.
Which man? Which man?
Sir, you're under arrest.
Under arrest for what? We not do anything though. When you somebody kiss me, I agree. Now your husband.
Shut up! You're under arrest for attempted murder and kidnap. It might interest you to know that this money in your possession are marked currencies.
Hey! Hey! Get him! You deceive me? Move it.
Move it!
This way. Move it! Make I confess. Move it! This way. Move it.
Okay.
In front of their hideout now. Back up in place. Copy. Over.
Guys, but I know say this man is out to die. What are we waiting for? I suggest make we wait for this man after the church service. Make we strike am down. What are we waiting for?
Jerry,
make we comot here, Joe.
See the kind thing wey dey reason. One people just come out from church, now you want make we go na you na begin na.
Jerry Montana. Guy, I quit Legodi na. Watch me maybe go. My watch don't spoil. I no get time again. Make we carry this mission. They go anywhere.
But that church no enter.
I dey fair.
That church no enter. Today crowded. That church no enter at all. But what are we?
Don't move, police!
Rob down,
please, take it easy. Take
Go down.
it easy.
Tear it to pieces.
Go down!
Take it easy.
Take it easy. Go down! Police! Hey, don't move!
Drop your gun and
move!
Point!
I'm gonna play with the plane.
Drop it!
Get down! Take it easy. Please, take it easy.
Let's
Take it easy, please.
let's not put on the plane.
Right!
Show down.
Let's not
Go
go
down.
Move it! Sorry.
Go get that.
Move it! Move it! Move it! Slowly! Take it easy. I said move it!
Papito on the beat.
now. Baby, hold me now. Hold me now. She say hold me now. She say make I squeeze her now. She say baby kiss me now. She say she wanna love me now. Love me now. She say she like it when me take it down. Baby girl, you wanna love me now. She follow me, pull it down. Abracadabra, the girl them a whining abracadabra. Abracadabra, the way she dey do it abracadabra. Like that, abracadabra.
If you not say you there for bed and you not get power, drink a one full bottle. You will get power.
Abracadabra, the girl them a like it abracadabra. Abracadabra, like that. Hold me now, give it to me now. She say she want do me now. Every time she a call me now. Tell me that she a love me now. Just time I want to they call me now. Telling me that she ma loving me. Baby girl, you wanna follow me now? Love me now. The girls them want me now. Them a feel call me now. Anywhere they wanna follow me now. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Tell your mama, abracadabra. The people they loving me, abracadabra. Abracadabra, abracadabra. The girls them a loving me, abracadabra. The way me I do it, abracadabra.
If you weak for bed, your wife will be the operator. So come and drink one cup. Come and take one full bottle. You can hold me now.
Hey! Go out! Come on, off it! What time was it?
Oga will not do anything. No.
Officer, don't listen to them. These people have been parading around selling fake drugs. Arrest them.
Listen to me. Don't utter any word here. Whatsoever you say or do here will be used against you. Move it. I said move it. Move.
God will bear us witness. What we are selling is soap. We are selling soap or not talk. Look at it. God will bear us witness. So.
Zobo. Move. No, I'll shoot you. Move.
If I was able to evidence.
I said move.
Makali holy holy, some. And the makali holy holy, some. And the makali holy holy, some. Banabaso ya jambin so, and the makali holy holy, some. And the makali holy holy, some. And the makali holy holy, some. Banabaso ya jambin so. Some.